Welcome to our lecture on the distribution of rainfall in South Africa. We'll explore how diverse climatic conditions shape ecosystems, agriculture, and livelihoods across the country, from arid landscapes to lush coastal regions. The Western Cape experiences winter rainfall due to the cold Benguela Current, while the Eastern Cape enjoys moderate rainfall throughout the year. These regional variances are crucial for understanding local climate dynamics. In the Northern Cape, arid conditions prevail with very low annual rainfall. Conversely, KwaZulu-Natal receives summer rainfall influenced by the warm Agulhas Current, highlighting the diverse climatic zones within South Africa. Ocean currents significantly influence rainfall patterns. The cold Benguela Current affects the west coast, while the warm Agulhas Current impacts the east. Topography and latitude also play roles in shaping these patterns. Seasonal variations are evident, with summer rainfall in the eastern and southern coastal regions and winter rainfall in the Western Cape. These patterns are driven by tropical air masses and frontal systems. Rainfall distribution impacts agriculture and biodiversity. Regions with higher rainfall support crop farming, while arid areas focus on livestock. Vegetation types from fynbos to savannas are influenced by these patterns. Climate change may shift traditional rainfall patterns, affecting water resources and agriculture. Adaptation strategies, including conservation and water management, are vital for mitigating these impacts. In conclusion, understanding rainfall distribution in South Africa is crucial for sustainable development. By adapting to these dynamics, we can better manage natural resources and mitigate environmental change impacts on ecosystems and societies.